Hey everyone, welcome to Lunar Cover Cover. In this channel, we'll share with you natural remedies for self-care and common ailments such as rashes, headaches, sleeplessness, clean air indoor and stomach bugs, among other natural frugal ways and ideas. We provide DIY homemade hacks, tricks, and recommend key ingredients to look for in your favorite products found in stores. If you want natural, low-cost, efficient health tips or ideas to start a natural household and alternative green cleaning, or just staying in the loop about most common sustainable household items and brands, make sure to click that subscribe button. Let's review some of the most common benefits of baking soda. You'll realize how baking soda is a cheap, natural way to replace many common household items. You probably have baking soda in your fridge to eliminate food odors and replace frequently, so baking soda is a staple in your shopping list. And you probably use baking soda for baking and cooking. Baking soda is used for tenderizing beans and many other recipes. As we review the multiple uses for baking soda for your health, cleaning, and school projects, you will realize how versatile baking soda is. Baking soda is a cheap and natural replacement for household items such as deodorant, toothpaste, bath salts, skin products, cleaning products, and more. You don't have to do it yourself if you're not the DIY type. Baking soda is a popular ingredient found in store-bought items. Number 1. Achy Muscle. Baking soda soothes muscle aches. Add half to 2 cups of baking soda to your bath. Take a bath after a long workout or a massage to avoid soreness. Taking a baking soda bath for maintenance before muscles are achy. If you know you'll be sore after a particular physical activity, plan for a baking soda bath and your body will be less sore. Add Epsom salt to your bath for an even more relaxing bath. Epsom salt also naturally alleviates muscle soreness. I know some of us think of baths as a luxury, but if you plan it into your schedule, it will be a great maintenance routine for your troubled areas of your body. Number 2. Erupting Volcano Experiment. During a kid's bath, you can try the Volcano Experiment by pouring vinegar to baking soda. Run the bath first and have equal parts baking soda in a child-friendly container and equal part vinegar in another container. Allow kids to play with the solution and pour it themselves, so it's much fun all the time. Baking soda baths are great for sensitive skin, eczema, and rashes. Keep a bigger size of baking soda near the bathtub and use it regularly. The vinegar is a plus and makes it fun. You can definitely add your favorite essential oil to your baking soda bath. Number 3. Insect bites, poison ivy, sunburn. Make your own paste with 1 part baking soda and 3 parts water. This is a versatile paste for bug bites, rashes from poison ivy, or skin irritation. Like anything else, try it in small sections to see reactions first before applying fully. For sunburn areas in large areas, a baking soda bath might be more suitable. 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water paste is great for softening skins. Use it in your hands and feet. Number 4. Mouthwash and toothpaste. Brushing your teeth with baking soda and coconut oil keeps them clean and cavities out of sight. Keep baking soda near your toothbrush to remember to add it to your routine. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water for a natural mouthwash. Baking soda toothpaste and mouthwash for a healthy mouth are greener options. It will lower carbon footprint, and they are natural approaches using a very economical and already in your house item. This practice will help reduce and slow down the use of plastic. Start by introducing baking soda to your daily routine in increments and see if it works for you before you commit fully. Maybe you just want to switch to baking soda just for a change and not full time. Large amounts of baking soda is not recommended. Number 5. Deodorant. There are many different homemade baking soda deodorant recipes that you could use and pick the one you like most. There are different variations out there. Pick what is the most accessible to you. Some baking soda deodorant recipes call for baking soda, arrowroot powder, coconut oil, and your favorite essential oils. A simpler version for a homemade deodorant is baking soda and cornstarch. It can be used on your feet or areas with propensity to sweat more. Especially in the warmer weather, this can come in handy on your feet or during a workout. To cover a larger area, or if you prefer a body spray, you can make your own baking soda body spray. Combine in a spray bottle baking soda, witch hazel, and aloe vera. This spray can be used to spray shoes or sandals in warmer weather as needed. Number 6. Antibacterial and MultiPurpose cleaner. There are different homemade baking soda recipes out there for MultiPurpose cleaners that serve as an antibacterial. A common recipe for baking soda MultiPurpose cleaner is part baking soda, part half borax, and 1 part vinegar. You can add lemon juice to the solution and repurpose a spray bottle. Number 7. Oven cleaner. If you're sensitive to breathing fumes from oven cleaners, try a baking soda oven cleaner. It might take a little more elbow work by scrubbing a little more, but the results are spotless and less chemicals that can potentially burn your skin or that you could inhale. Mix baking soda and water mix for a paste consistency and apply it to the oven. Use a sturdy scrub to clean deep grease. You can add some vinegar to the baking soda paste to clean the oven. The longer the paste is left in the oven, the easier to clean up. I use hot water to rinse, and make sure you wear protective gloves. This is a messy job, so please dress for the occasion. Number 8. Bathroom and kitchen surface cleaners. You can make your own baking soda toilet bowl cleaner by mixing a 1/4 cup of baking soda with a cup of vinegar. Scrub good and let it sit for a couple hours. Use this same baking soda recipe to clean sinks, showers, bathrooms and kitchens. Sprinkle baking soda to clean stubborn stains or spots in your essential oil diffuser. Please be mindful of the parts that are washable. Number 9. Shoe, carpet and fabric deodorizer. You can naturally and cheaply deodorize your shoes by sprinkling your shoes with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda to deodorize stubborn carpet or rug spots. Sprinkle baking soda in the affected area and leave it for a couple hours before vacuuming. Odors in the vacuum will be neutralized too. Number 10. Deodorize books. Sprinkle baking soda to smelly books. If the books are damp, sprinkle baking soda and air dry. Number 11. Kitchen sponges freshener. Clean kitchen sponges by soaking in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and soaking in water and microwave for 1 minute. The sponge and microwave will be cleaned and deodorized. Be careful when you pull the sponge out, as it will be very hot. Wipe off any water left behind in the microwave. To make baking soda cleaning recipes, add lemon juice, tree oil, or your favorite essential oil. Most citrusy essential oils go well with homemade cleaners. Number 12. Laundry. Have you ever forgotten your wet clothes in the washing machine overnight, or even longer? Clothes that have been damp for that long tend to smell musky or damp. Don't throw them away because of it. Add a tablespoon of baking soda during the wash, and add another tablespoon of baking soda while in the dryer. If the smell still persists, try the same process for a couple washes. It should go away after the 3rd wash or so. Use a tablespoon of baking soda for your laundry in the washing machine. Baking soda naturally deodorizes and helps with energy efficiency by washing with less water. A great substitute for laundry sheets are wool walls or drying walls. This is a great way to keep laundry sheets out of landfills and a great alternative for sensitive skin that reacts to fragrances and chemicals in laundry detergents and laundry sheets. Frequent use of baking soda in the washing machine actually neutralizes odors, and you are taking care of your laundry and washing machine. It also takes care of odors in the drains. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to your clothes in the last 10 minutes of the cycle, and it will refresh up any damp odor. Test it first in small batches before using it regularly. Number 13. Skin. For feet and hands, baking soda soak. Soak your feet or hands in baking soda, soak and warm water, and you will notice soft skin. For baking soda scrub, combine 3 tablespoons and your favorite essential oil until it turns into a thick paste. Rub on your skin and rinse. Always try in small batches first to see how your skin reacts to a new product. Baking soda is a common ingredient in store-bought household items such as toothpaste, mouthwash, lotions, house cleaners, beauty products, and deodorants. It is easily found in your favorite stores. It is a great ingredient that can save you money by replacing common household items. It can be purchased from your favorite store, or you can DIY at home. Baking soda is biodegradable and is non-pollutant. It is harmless in small amounts. Avoid consumption in large amounts. Check before adding baking soda to your daily routine. Baking soda is a great natural ingredient, but be mindful if you have sensitive skin. Like everything else, consume baking soda in moderation. Try it in small batches first before fully committing. Drink water and get plenty of sleep. See you in the next video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you with frugal and natural tips and more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of eco-friendly gifts, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.